Guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to skin the puffadder. Stay away from the head. There's venom in the venom sac just behind the upper jaw. It can still envenomate you even if this thing's dead. So it's a really good idea to stay away from the head altogether. So what I normally do is, with snakes, is I actually tie that sliding knot that I taught you guys. I'm going to cut about 5 centimeters behind the head. I don't like to cut the head off when we skin it now because it's a good anchoring point. So now we're ready to skin the snake. Cut all the way below the head, all the way around the skin. Make a small cut until you get through the skin. We're going to simply take the skin Right, that's the skin. Even though the snake is dead, it will still continue moving because of muscle spasms for quite a long time afterwards, and that freaks a lot of people out. You'll see that there's a stomach tract, and we're going to separate the meat from the as easy as that. So what we do now is, this thing's still moving in my hand. That is like really freaky, man. No. And you can feel the muscles. Anybody want to feel this? Yeah. Take it in your hand.
Don't drop it, it's our food.
Take it in your hand and hold it, and you can feel it moving. It's trying to
get away.
Yeah.
And it's after.
Look at that.
Oh my word, this is creepy.
And it will keep doing that for quite a long time.
Yeah, well, that's
just grab it.
It's just vibration.
Feel every contraction along the rib
feel
cage.
the muscles. After we've skinned it like this, it's not a snake anymore. This is a piece of meat. This is opportunistic on the survival course, and you guys are going to taste what Puffadder tastes. It's really awesome.